Going to the post office on Jindrishka. Sounds like Yindra, doesn't it? This is Jindra Street. Let's go in the post office on a Saturday. Go to slots. Baliki. Balika UMS. Here we are, back again. Ooh. There's the ugly TV tower. Go and get some Vietnamese at my favorite place since we're in Praha. Oh, yes. Got 5 egg rolls and 1 entree with beef. And it was $480. But they have big egg rolls, big ones, big ones. There's the man cooking it up. Ooh. I'm back in the freezing cold meat cooler. Ooh. Whoa. It's cold in here. Ooh. Okay. I got some sausages. My goodness. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of it. Ireland. Oh, I wonder how much it is. 700 crowns a kilo. So how much is it? I don't know. Find out when you get to the register. 700 crowns a kilo, that's 3.34. What we got here? Cote de Boeuf. Guess it's from Italy or someplace. That's $759 a kilo. How much is that? Ooh. It's gonna be about. Damn, $35. This is my favorite section. All the sausages and hams from Spain and Italy. There's all kinds of it. Now, which one am I gonna get? De España. Ooh, that one looks good. I'm gonna try some of that. Some jamón de cebo ibérico. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. My goodness. What should I get? And the egg roll. Mama's having an egg roll. You good, Mama?
Yep.
Egg roll. Here's the big one. Our shopping is done for today. We were at Macro. We went to Billa. Got some beer. Benjamin's having a Starbucks. cold. Woohoo! It's like Panelux City. Communist Soviet era panel apartment buildings. They're everywhere out here. Those are the new, $700,000 one-bedroom apartments. Luca, we're waiting. Yep. Still got 20 minutes to wait for our bus. Oh, that was a day. Now let's go get our bus. So, okay. I went for a wee. Waiting for our bus. And okay. While I was out today, or while we were out today, in that big Costco-like place, came across a new Czech beer that I haven't had. Gwern. 12, 12 degree. Let's see. It's how it's going to be. It's good until, what, 30th of September 2005. Let's see how it's going to be. Oh yeah, just opened it. What do we got here? It smells good. Pivo Svietli Ležak. It's a lager beer, unfiltered and unpasteurized. The beer is made in a microbrewery with classic technology and from Czech ingredients. Alcohol content 5%. Let's see. Come on now. Let's see. Ooh, I'm pouring it too fast. Gonna have a lot of head. Ooh. Well, the verdict is, it's pretty good. Kind of high price for a Czech beer. It's about 80 crowns. What is that? A little under $4. It's pretty good. Got lots of good carbonation. Na zdraví.